animal and plant cell. What are the parts of these two cells? Animal cell and a plant cell. Let's have a look at it. An animal cell have a nucleus, cell membrane, cytoplasm and mitochondria in their structure, while a plant cell have a nucleus, vacuole, cell membrane, cell wall, cytoplasm, chloroplast and mitochondria in their structure. Now let's have a look what are the functions of these structures in animal cells and plant cells. Nucleus has a function to control all activities in the cell. Nucleus contains chromosomes which consist of deoxyribonucleic acid, that is DNA, which carries genetic information. Cell membrane, the function is to control the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm acts as a medium for chemical reactions. Mitochondria produce energy for reactions. Cell wall provides support, protection and a fixed shape to the cell, and it is found in plant cell. Chloroplast, vacuole. These two structures are found in plant cell. Chloroplast absorbs light energy for photosynthesis, while vacuole provides support to cells when filled with cell sap. Comparison between animal cells and plant cells. Now have a look at the comparison. Both have cell membrane, nucleus, mitochondria and cytoplasm. Plant cell has fixed shape, has cell wall, has vacuole, has chloroplast, but animal cell has no fixed shape, no cell wall, no vacuole, no chloroplast. I hope that this lecture must be helpful for you all to understand the difference between plant cell and animal cell, and also the function of the structures which are found in both of the cells. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends as well.